Hi guys, welcome to Gladi Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to buy Ethereum coin on your Trust wallet. For you to be able to buy your Ethereum coin on your Trust wallet, you have to launch your Trust wallet this way. Then the next thing you have to do is to use the search button, the search engine here, and type in Ethereum. Okay, so these are the different Ethereum that we have. You can now select any of them and continue your transaction. Let me see that I select the first one here, etc. I can easily send or receive or buy from this Ethereum. So guys, that is it on how to buy your Ethereum coins. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to please get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.